So recently I had a conversation with a career coach, and the conversation was hilarious, and it's gonna make you laugh, and you have a lesson to take from this.
Well, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference. And recently I was on a call with a gentleman who called, and he said, Mr. Bishal, I want to be like you. I want to be a speaker. I want to be a coach. I want to be a mentor to thousands of people and millions of people. I said, that's awesome, man. What do? He said, right now, I want to be a career coach. I said, I understand what you want to be, but what do you do now? He said, no, I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just evaluating my career. I said, okay, so you want to be a career coach. Why? He said, well, I feel that my mission is to help people get their dream jobs. I said, great. So tell me about your experience. What kind of dream jobs have you had so far? He said, no, I'm just been struggling for the last 2.5 years to get my job. I said, excuse me? He said, yeah. I said, so you are telling me you are struggling for the last 2.5 years to get any job, and now you want to be a career coach helping other people get their dream jobs? He said, yeah, I have a lot of passion. I said, I understand you have passion. I understand that. And maybe you're knowledgeable. Maybe you have a lot of good positive thought in your head. But if you can be a career coach, first of all, be the coach for yourself. If you know how to get people their dream jobs, get the dream job for yourself. And he was like, oh, I have to do that? I said, yeah. Before you teach others, before you give the message, you have to live the message. See, the problem we have in the society today, right now, is a lot of people are giving a lot of messages, but they are not living it. So often, for example, I see people who say, I want to be a leadership coach. Great. Have you ever been a leader in a company? No. Have you ever been a leader in a community? No. Have you been a leader in your family? No. Then you have not earned the right. So I want you to write this down. You have to earn the right to be a speaker. This is not something that you do just by earning some certification, just by reading some books. It's by your practical experience, from your knowledge, from your experience, from the real world things that you do. That enables you to become a coach, a mentor, or a leader. And this is why I see so often right now, we have doctors in the world who are fat. We have counselors in the world who are depressed. We have motivational speakers in the world who are not motivated. So it's not about just being a speaker on the stage, it's about who you are off the stage. And that's why so many people come to me, not because I have a lot of knowledge, which many other people have more knowledge than me. Many people have more knowledge than me, but people come to me because I have the practical experience. I mean, how can you trust a public speaking coach there who himself is afraid of the stage, right? You can't. How can you trust a time management trainer who came to the seminar late? Correct? So you have to find the right mentor. So don't be a career coach if you don't have your own career dialed in for yourself. Take a lesson from it, apply it in your life, and be an example, not a warning. I hope this video has served you your purpose today. Take this lesson, go out there, impact the humanity, but before that, impact your own world and become an example.
Who are you? Who are you?
Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.